Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're going to talk about what I carry on an everyday basis. I've been getting some people say, hey, show us your EDC. So we're going to do that today. And I look forward to reading what you guys carry on an everyday basis. So let's start with the blade. I've showed the Kershaw Oh So Sweet in the past. It's a nice blade, 3-inch blade. Looks brand new. And I've taken this through quite a bit and still has a new look and feel to it. But I changed it out this year for a Boker auto blade. And I like this because it is very quick in deploying and it's very light as well. It does have aluminum handle there. And this button just, you push that to retract it and it does lock in place. Now they have a lot of models for this, but this one's called the Kalashnikov because it has the look of an AK mag. It actually says that right there. I don't know if you'll be able to read that, but it does say Automat Kalashnikov Boker. And if you don't believe me, it comes in this case right here that resembles an AK mag. I also carry this key knife. I've been carrying this for years. It's a SOG Key Knife. There it is. Put it on your keychain. Just pull it out. Good for utility things. Not self-defense at all. Wouldn't even consider it, but it does lock into place, and then you hit this lever here to put it back into position. I've actually gotten through courts as a plaintiff, not a defendant. I actually find myself in court quite a bit. I am in the landlording business, so I'm going through evictions. I've gotten through courts with that. Nobody even looks at it, so I like the way that is set up. The primary gun that I'm carrying this year is a Karf P9. Now, I carried the CW9 for a couple years, but this P9 is nice because it has a match grade barrel and night sights, and I like that. And, of course, one round in the chamber. Always a round in the chamber. Feel comfortable in a Kydex multi-holster. So, no great dimensions difference between the CW9 and the P9. I just feel like I'm getting a higher grade gun with the P9, and I'm very happy with it. I shoot it very well. When I pocket carry, on occasion, and I do, I start, especially in the summer, I got this holster here. This, I don't even know the brand, but it's got this rubber piece there that covers the trigger guard, and I have my PM9, and you'll see one in the chamber, always. That's not even a question. Now, when I carry the P9, I use this Remington black belt, all right? And then when I carry the P9, I've been using this. I just always have used this. So those are my self-defense loads. I've got range tests on both of them. And, at the beginning of the video, you saw me dancing around a little bit. That was from a dueling piano show that we were watching. I called up on the stage to do some Russian dance. When I was doing that, I was carrying the PM9 in my pocket, and the goal was to see who could get their legs higher. There was actually another guy I was competing against. Let's take a look at that right now. During that dancing exhibition, I had my Karf PM9 in the pocket, and I was able to kick my legs up. Now, that was the competition. I was actually competing against a guy next to me that you couldn't see. He was taller. He was younger. He was seemingly more athletic. But if you saw us side by side, you would see that I kicked my legs up higher than he did, big time. When I go with a double stack magazine handgun, I go with the FNS 9C. I like this gun. I like the way it feels. I like the trigger pull. I like everything about it. Much like these, I shoot it very well. And of course, a round in the chamber. Another multi-holster there to carry inside the waistband. For the Karf mag, spare mag, I use this extra carry mag pouch. This thing is sweet. It sits in the pocket. You just put it in the pocket. It sits low, and it's very easy access to a spare mag. Change them out pretty quick. I practice that, and it works really well. My flashlight is a Streamlight ProTac. All right, real easy, AAA battery. It has long battery life, and it's quite bright. I'm not going to shine it in the camera, but it's quite bright. Use it often, and it's stood the test of time as well. It's been beat up and everything and still works fine. As far as multi-tools and other things go, I have those in my vehicle. I don't always carry them on my person every day, but that's it, guys. That's my EDC and what I carry, what I'm comfortable with. I look forward to hearing what you EDC on a daily basis. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.